Hello guys, today we are gonna build admin panel system for our community. We will learn good tricks about some useful tools. Before the start, if you are my subscriber, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you. First of all, I will show you how you can make a group join request list. I already built pages and components for today's requirements. So, first we will create a parameter for bringing group's reference ID to component. After that, we will define parameter for action. Now I will query the document reference to get fields from database. Okay, I must use dynamic children to get list of UID from group join request list. Choose group document request field. I made a mistake here, but I will fix it in next second. Available option will be map list items. Now I will query users documents for name and picture. Choose single document for this. We will use filter to get correct user's ID. Okay, let's set user information. Now I am going to set action for buttons. We have two options. First option for accept user's request, so click action and find update document. Select parameter name as reference for action. First field will be request. So remove user ID from request field. Second field will be members. We will add user's ID to member list. We will use some action for rejection button. We will just delete members field from action. Time to set changing group information action. Okay, let's create parameter for page. Give it a name and select document reference as type. Create a query to get document. We will use text field widget. You can follow my steps to set backend on widget. For save button, we will use update document action. I am showing you now. Now we will configure privacy part. We will have two options, private and public. I didn't use checkbox widget because I think there is a bug in this widget for this example, and I solved this with my custom solution. I show you my widget tree and you can stop video and view it. Alright, let's build our system. We need a page state for selection. Click page state and give it a name. Type will be Boolean. Page state can be null. Okay, we are going to set action for loading page. Click scaffold and go to action part. Find query collection. Collection will be group and type will be single document. Use filter as I am setting now. Perfect. We can add second action. Find update page state action. Select our page state. Click set value. But we forgot to give previous action a name. So give it a name. Click value to set and select action output and click private field. This will help us to appoint the private value from backend whenever we come to this page. Okay, now we will set conditional visibility. I am showing you all conditions and want to say that we focus value of page state in here. If page state is here true, then it means private. If it is false, then it means public. Now I am adding action for unchecked containers. When user click uncheck containers, this will appoint a value to page state. The last action is update document for save button. Click add action and find update document. Select parameter name as reference to update. Field will be private. Value source will be from variable. Variable will be page state value. Okay, that's it. Let's test our panel. we finished this episode, and please subscribe the channel and like the video. Don't forget to check other videos too. See you in next video.